So welcome back to another video from Untitled Label. This one is going to be another unboxing, and we have something really cool. I want to say a big thank you to my friend and neighbor. We'll call him DB. Have to make sure he's okay with having his information in these videos. Before we actually get into this unboxing video, I want to say thank you guys for everyone that's been subscribing. The numbers have been going up and I love it. I love the support and I definitely do appreciate it. If you're watching this for the first time, consider subscribing and checking out some of the other videos that I do have. I post pretty often and I'm trying to keep giving you guys more and more unboxings, as well as some awesome tips, tricks, and stuff that I just use to strive and move forward through life. So if you're someone that uses, let's say, multiple computers, or you have a lot of accessories that you need to use with your computer, this item that I got today is going to be just for you. So you're definitely going to want to watch this whole video. I'm going to complete the unboxing and as well as a setup on my current setup and just some general use and things that I do like. So with that said, let's get right into it. What we have today is going to be a Thunderbolt USB docking station. It is by Anker. Let's get the unboxing going. So here we have the Anker docking station. This is 777 Thunderbolt docking station. We have a lot of, as you guys can see from the box, we have a lot of ports on this docking station that's going to be really useful. We also have that. So some actual hardware information about this docking station. So it has USB 3.1 type A, USB type C as well. Ooh, can't get my words right. So we have HDMI as well, 2 HDMI ports right here. We have USB 2.0, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, as well as SD card, and this is our power button. So you have a lot of ports on this Thunderbolt docking station. I think what I find cool is you also have 90-watt max charging for your laptop or accessories, which that's very convenient, because for someone like me, I have two different setups. I do want to have my laptops charged while I am using them. So I think this is the stand. Probably have we have our power cables. We have a HDMI to HDMI cable, and we have our power cable as well. We also have our power adapter. Definitely needed since we're going to be powering laptops as well. And this little booklet, what I love the most. Our quick start guide. What is this? Happy, not happy. I'm guessing this is some kind of survey. Yeah, so you can do a survey. And our user manual. I'm gonna briefly skim through the user manual, see if there's anything that I need to know, but I'm gonna, when it comes to the installation, I'm going to just install it. It's not very hard. And that's all that's in the box. We just unboxed it. Next thing is going to be to get it installed with my current setup, and we're going to test it out and see how it does. So let's get right into that too. So I kind of have a head start already. I already have the docking station here. I'm going to put it underneath here. This is my current one right here. Not very fancy, but we're gonna see how this one compares. Let's do it. So cable wise, everything's pretty much set up. Not very hard, it's just a matter of plugging power, then plugging all your accessories into the dock. So I did kind of enjoy the little clicking SD. I don't know why, but it's very satisfying to click it in and then click it out. I know, that's weird, but I like it. This is my old dock that I was using. It's not an actual dock itself, more so than a hub. It's a Power Expand 7-in-1 hub. So you have USB type A, type C, and card slots and HDMI. So the good thing about this Thunderbolt dock, though, the dock station, is that it frees up a cable that I needed to run to my laptop for charging. So that's actually perfect because now I have an extra USB connection that I can add to the laptop if need be. And I'm all about having accessible ports, so that's great. So in case you guys are wondering if this works for Mac and PC, it does. I have both a Mac and a PC, and I can connect both of them to this and have two computers working simultaneously off of one dock. That's awesome. The Thunderbolt docks that it provides, there's two of them, and they support up to 8K resolution. So 8K resolution at 30 hertz refresh. So that means if you have one computer, you plug it in, your video resolution, you can get up to 8K with this. If you have two of them, you're maxed out at 4K resolution. So weight-wise, it's about 16.5 ounces, which is like a pound, a little over a pound. The box that it came in was a little bit heavy, but that's only because of the power supply. It does have a pretty big power supply in order to charge your laptop devices that you have plugged into it. So that makes sense. Yeah, so that brings us to the end of our unboxing as well as testing video for today. If you guys enjoyed it, consider giving it a thumbs up as well as subscribing if you haven't yet. You literally have nothing to lose, and it's just a click of a button. So subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in today. We have plenty more videos coming in the future. So I will see you on the next one.
No more mistakes.